Hi, welcome to Characteristics. Today we'll convert this 2D sketch to this 3D model, and we will add the blue color appearance to it. As you can see, this 2D sketch contains more than one inclined surfaces. So let's start. First I will look at my 2D sketch, and I will start with lower rectangle with 40 by 60 millimeter good sketch and select a plane. I will choose top plane and I will go to rectangle and start from origin, and I will add dimension 60 by 40 millimeters. I will go to features and extrude it by 10 millimeters height. On the upper surface I will make a sketch. I will make a center line vertical to make mirror around it, and I will make an inclined line. As you can see here, it's 40 millimeters distance and 20 millimeters. So from center line it will be 10 millimeters, half of 20, and 20 millimeters, half of 40. And I will mirror this inclined line about vertical center line. And I will extrude by, let's see, into the sketch 30 millimeters. I will add a blue color, but for both features. I think it's very dark. I will add a light one, light blue. This light blue is better. Okay, we didn't finish. From the side we have an inclined line also, so I will go to side surface and select sketch, make it normal too, and draw the line from the upper origin to the left line. I'll make sure it's in origin, and I will define the vertical dimension here by 10 millimeters. No, vertical, sorry, 10 millimeters. And I will cut extrude this area through all. That's it. Now revise the sketch to make sure that everything is right from this surface. As you can see, it's like 2D sketch. Yeah, it's the same. Plane view also is the same. Yes. Side view also is the same. That's it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel if you like it, and see you next video. Bye.